Thank you for calling ABCD Steakhouse. This is Tanvir, the AI receptionist. How may I help you today?
Hi, this is Alex. I would like to book a reservation. My phone number is 1234567910. I would like to have a window seat tomorrow 5 p.m. for 5 people.
Thank you, Alex. Just to confirm, is your phone number 123-456-7891?
But the first version was terrible, and this is where everything started.
Hello, thank you for calling Napsol Station Branch. How can I help you today?
Yeah, can you book me a reservation?
We are sorry. An application error has occurred. Goodbye.
You came here looking for a free tutorial, you little freebie. Well, guess what? You are getting exactly why you came here. Today I'm gonna show you how I exactly build this AI receptionist. A long time ago, I noticed the steakhouse I used to work as a part-timer loses around $165,000 a year by only missing 4 to 5 calls a day. And I thought, Tanvir, you are a third-year computer science student and a potential software engineer. You are already spending thousands of dollars on a degree that's gonna be useless because of AI. You should probably build an AI project before that certificate becomes only a decorative paper. So normal people solve the missed call by hiring someone. But I choose the cheaper path, several months of software development. Initially, I was doing the project for my university course called pattern recognition. But aren't you supposed to make a computer vision project in a pattern recognition course? Some computer vision guy's brain strain. You. So I emailed my professor, my dear professor, can I make an AI receptionist with no computer vision? Cheers, Tanvir. And the professor replied, Dear Tanvir, it is okay. Although it does not contain any video or audio, emotion and speech recognition are still part of pattern recognition. So I replied, My dear professor, thank you. Cheers, Tanvir. So I told one of my senior brother about the project. He was doing PhD at the time at my university. I thought he gonna be supportive like a big bro. But guess what? He challenged me. He said, if you can do it in 1 month, I'll give you a job. I think he meant to say if I can solve that problem in 4 months, he will gonna use me for his research for free. Yeah, that makes sense. Although the project is finished, but he is not with us anymore. Because he is in China and I'm still washing dishes in Korea. Anyway, he said I could not make it. So I spent the next 4 months building an AI robot. A robot you cannot touch. Get it? Because it lives inside a server, you can only call, but you can never touch. So basically, I built an AI employee with a phone number. Get it? That being said, I started researching how I'm gonna do this. And when I say research, I mean to say go to YouTube, search AI receptionist. Very original idea, bro. I found some guy making AI receptionist with something called Vapi and N10. Oh, you don't know N10? N10 is a powerful source available workflow automation tool. It lets you connect different app service and AI model to automate repetitive tasks. Think of it like a programmable and self-hosted alternative to Zapier and Mail. It provides greater control over your workflow and... Shut up, nerd. But I could not use N10 because I had to show the code to my university professor. But I still made a Korean version. I made it for a Korean friend. He dropped out from a data science degree. He is working with me in the same restaurant. Very sad life. Anyway, I made this version with Make. Make is like twin brother of N10. You know, same family but different haircut. Oh, you don't know N10? But there is two problems right now. Number one, there is no phone number connected to the AI right now. And number two, I need code, not N10 workflow. So I went to Doraemon. I mean to say ChatGPT. Hi Doraemon, I want to make a not so human receptionist. After not so thorough research, I found out that you cannot connect your normal phone number to the AI. You need something called SIP number. Oh, you don't know SIP number? SIP number or session initial protocol number is a virtual phone number that routes voice call over the internet instead of traditional telephone line. While it lives and dials exactly like a normal phone number, it operates through something called VoIP. That means voice over... I told you to shut up, you fucking idiot. But there was a problem. In Korea, if you need a SIP number, you need to have a business license. And I don't have one. But if I try to get one, the government gonna send assassin. Not to kill me, because I'm on D2 visa. So after playing with Doraemon, I found some websites that provide SAP numbers, but not Korean numbers. Bro, I even went to the second page of Google. Felt like the North Korean government gonna send assassin for sure this time. I chose Twilio. Don't ask me why. So ChatGPT wrote some code for me. I just copied it and pasted it, and voila, a terrible receptionist was born. Everything worked perfectly, apart from the thing that didn't work. The AI only pauses for 6 seconds before answering. That is of course not latency, that is feature, a realistic receptionist hesitation. Also, if you ask something that doesn't have a flash backend function, it will just know what to say.
We are sorry. An application error has occurred. Goodbye.
The AI understood every word. Unfortunately, none of them was correctly. Anyway, on the presentation day, I confidently presented the project. My leg was shaking, but nobody noticed because of the professor's table. I don't know what it is called. The system was finally ready for production. And when I say production, I mean to say showing to the professor.
Hello, thank you for calling Napsol Station Branch. How can I help you today?
Can you buy me ice cream?
I'm sorry, but I can only assist with restaurant-related questions at Napsol Station Branch. Is there anything else you would like to know?
No, I really want ice cream. But in my mind, I still have the AI video, the one showing that you can use Vapi and N10 to make a receptionist. So here is what you have been waiting for so patiently. Go to vapi.ai. You will see a guy talking to a AI receptionist. Press get started, create an account, click create assistant. Now go to GitHub link, I put it in the description. It has a MIT license, download it or don't download it, up to you. Go to backend, docs, KB, download knowledge base file or replace it with your own restaurant information. Then open the Vapi receptionist prompt.md file, open it in the VS Code or whatever ID you like, copy the prompt, go back to Vapi, paste it in the system prompt, then write your first message, something friendly like fuck you, what do you want? You can choose whatever, the assistant talks first or the caller talks first. Choose any transcriber you like, but be careful, it can increase your latency and cost. For the brain, I use GPT 4.1 because it gives good value for latency. But you can use your own API too, feel free to fuck around and find out. Then select a voice, you can also use the 11 Labs voice with or without an own API. Now at the bottom you will see files, open the drop down then close it, because if you collect knowledge base file from here, the AI cannot use it properly. Instead go to resources, file, upload the markdown file or drag it like a normal person. Now go to tools, you need to create a couple of tools. The first one is the knowledge base tools. Click create, give it a name, give it a description, but make sure the tool name matches the name inside your system prompt. Otherwise nothing will work and you will blame me. For the model, use something fast, something with low latency. I use Gemini 2.5 Flash. Then select the knowledge base file you uploaded. Before creating other tools, go to Twilio, create an account, get phone number. Now stop using your brain. Download Codex or Claude Code. I use Codex, and if you are living under the rock and doesn't know what Codex or Claude Code is, get some help. Create a new project using the folder you downloaded from the GitHub. Give Codex the knowledge base file, give it the assistant prompt, explain what you are building, and this is important, tell it, ask me a question until you understand the project at least 90%. You will go back and forth for a while, it's gonna be a little long. When Codex finally understands the project, tell it to use agency agent skills to plan the whole system out. After plan is finished, tell it to divide the plan into multiple tasks. Then tell it to save those tasks into a doc folder. Complete one task at a time. When the context window is about to finish, start a new one. Then continue with the next task. After finishing all the tasks, ask Codex to how to set the Vapi tools. You can go back to the part where I showed all the tools. You can take a screenshot and give it to Codex for a reference. It will also help you set up a Twilio account. One more thing, don't use Max or Ultra while Codex is coding unless you want your token to disappear faster than my software engineering career. At this point, I was not building a receptionist, I was rebuilding society. Anyway, that's the basic setup. I'm not going too deep into every line of code here because the video is already too long and I have life, technically. So now here is the final version.
Thank you for calling ABCD Steakhouse. This is Tanvir, the AI receptionist. How may I help you today?
Yeah, can you book me a reservation?
Of course. May I have your name, please?
My name is Tanvir. The spelling is Tanvir.
Thank you, Tanvir. How many guests will be in your party?
There will be 4 people.
Thank you. What date would you like to reserve for your party of 4?
Today at 7 p.m.
You requested today, Thursday, July 16th, 2026, at 7 p.m. for 4 guests. May I have your phone number for the reservation? We'll send confirmation by SMS to this number.
Okay, my phone number is 010.
Thank you. To confirm, your phone number is 01001. Do you have any seating preference? Window side, private room, no preference? or would you like me to add another seating note?
No, that's right.
Thank you. You have no seating preference. Let me check availability for 4 guests today, July 16, 2026 at 7 p.m. with no seating preference. Please hold one moment. Let me confirm this is for Tanvir, 4 guests today, Thursday, July 16, 2026 at 7 p.m. with no seating preference at phone number 001. We'll send confirmation by SMS to this number. Is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
Your reservation is confirmed. We'll send the confirmation by SMS to the phone number you provided. Is there any?
Yeah, can you tell me if the parking is available in your area or not?
Yes, parking is available underground in the same building. The first 2 hours are free, and after that, it's 1,000 won per 10 minutes. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all right. Thank you.
Thank you for calling ABCD Steakhouse, Gangnam. Have a great day.
As you can see, it also sent me SMS that says the reservation is confirmed, but I'm using Twilio trial account, so it also has that trial account message. Yeah, and in Korean it says this is a foreign number because I'm using USA number. So yeah, it works. And if you go to if you turn on this what is called the reservation, you can see there is 4 guests under the name of Tanvir at 7 p.m. to 8:30, and my phone number is available here, and I will blur that out. I don't want to share my phone number obviously. And yeah, and there is only 100-minute booking, so everything is okay, everything is working. Nice. It completed 1 reservation without crashing, so obviously it is ready for production. Is it perfect? No. Sometimes it misunderstands my name. Sometimes a customer speaks like they're trying to speed run the English language.
Hi, this is Alex. I would like to book a reservation.
And connected it to a real restaurant reservation platform is another headache. But the project is no longer from a university. I'm turning it into a real product, and I'm trying to convince a restaurant to pay me for it, which may be harder than building an AI. I also built a landing page which is running on my server, actual private home server, but that story is for another day. So subscribe if you want to see if I get my first customer or not, or whether I continue washing dishes forever.